searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Into this video I'm gonna be doing a cornrow tutorial. I'm gonna show you how I do my cornrows under my wigs and crochet. I got several requests from you guys and I'm doing it today. Sorry that it's late, but it's gonna be done. This side of my hair is the one that I completed already. Yeah, so I went ahead and did part of that off camera. I am in a hurry, so that's why I did half of my hair off camera, but I got you guys. I still have this other side of my hair that I'm gonna use to demonstrate on how this part was completed. So let's just hop right into it. So this is my leave-in conditioner that I'm gonna be using on my natural hair, and this is just to soften the hair to make it easier to braid. I have my comb right here. It's gonna help me part my hair. This other comb to comb out my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Leave-in conditioner just on the fingertip because I'm gonna use it to my hair, from the ends of my hair to the roots of my hair. Okay, I'm just gonna start braiding now. Alright guys, I'm gonna start at the front of the section here. I'm going to take small section and divide it into 3 equal strands. So what I'm gonna do next is take the right strand of hair. I'm gonna cross it over the middle, then the left strand of hair, cross it over the middle. That's gonna become the new middle. I'm gonna go ahead and take hair off the scalp. As I'm going down, I'm gonna take the right strand of hair, cross it over the middle, then take the left strand of hair, cross it over the middle. It's gonna become the new middle. And I'm gonna take hair from the scalp and add it to that. I'm going to take the right strand of hair, cross it over the middle, then go with the left strand of hair, cross it over the middle, which is gonna become the new middle. And I'm gonna add hair from the scalp until I go down. Okay guys, I'm gonna section out another hair and I'm gonna repeat the process. What I'm doing now is detangling my hair with the wide tooth comb and my leave-in conditioner. This is very important guys. If you don't want any breakage, you have to detangle your hair. I'm going to take a small part of the hair, divide it up into 3 equal strands, and I'm going to just take the right strand of hair. I'm gonna cross it over the middle, then the left strand of hair, cross it over the middle. That's gonna become the new middle. I'm gonna go ahead and take hair off the scalp. As I'm going down, I'm gonna take the right strand of hair, cross it over the middle, then take the left strand of hair, cross it over the middle. It's gonna become the new middle. And I'm gonna take hair from the scalp. You just gotta keep going just like that guys. Once you have reached the end of the section, continue braiding without adding any hair. Alright guys, so what I'm doing now is taking the leave-in conditioner and rubbing it on top of the whole cornrow, so that way I don't have any hair standing over my head.
This is what the hair looks like when it's completed.
Alright guys, thank you so much if you have made it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you all, and do not forget, practice and patience is essential to learning how to do anything in life. Do not give up on yourself. Do not be discouraged. If you try learning how to do your cornrow, you practice on yourself and it don't come out right on the first try, just keep going. Eventually you will improve. You will improve. I'm telling you this. You have to believe me. You will improve. I'm telling you. With that being said, don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Leave a comment down below of any suggested video you want me to do.